Hi, this is Mike Hayes from the high school, and the English Language Arts Curriculum Revision Committee met on Monday, September 16, 2019. We set out to develop a clear plan for completing writing curriculum documents, including further work as subcommittees. We investigated best practices for grammar instruction, we reviewed future goals, and our upcoming work for the 2019-2020 school year.
Hi, this is Barbie Presnell. I'm 8th grade intervention specialist at middle school. Today we started our meeting revisiting our previous work from the last 2 years. We have already succeeded in horizontal and vertical alignment of ELA standards, recording them in Atlas for a guaranteed and viable curriculum, and shared best practices of vocabulary instruction.
This is Julie Ryan from the middle school. Our main focus today was working on the district's writing curriculum. To do this, we divided into 4 subgroups. One that worked on writing rubrics to be used throughout all grades K through 12. One that worked on making a plan to find exemplars and benchmark examples for the required genres in each grade level. One that worked on ways to help teachers approach writing across all content areas. And finally, one that examined testing data and what it shows about our students' current trends in their writing abilities.
This is Lauren Watts from the elementary school. Our subcommittee met and determined that there is a need for writing rubrics that are vertically aligned. Our subcommittee consisted of representatives from all buildings. We started by examining Lucy Calkin's rubrics and found that they provided a great foundation for writing for grades K through 8. The primary school has had great success in using these rubrics to evaluate student writing and provide feedback for student growth. We spent time comparing Lucy Calkin's rubrics with ODE's rubrics for state testing assessments. Although we don't teach to the test here at IH, we can't ignore the fact that we must prepare writers to meet the standards set and expected by the state. In comparing the rubrics, there were very clear overlaps. Our committee then spent time creating our own rubrics that include both Lucy Calkin's standards as well as ODE's writing expectations. We began this task, but we'll continue meeting over the next few months to complete them while also gathering feedback from our other ELA team members. The high school will continue using the WRAP rubric, but we'll be tweaking it to add AP language and composition. All in all, we feel like we have a great start. We have an abundance of resources for using rubrics, but we need to focus on vertical alignment.
This is Casey Wynn from the elementary school. We will be gathering examples of students' writings from grades K through 12 to correlate with the writing rubrics. Each grade band will be selecting examples of their required genres. One piece will be from a writer who demonstrates emergent writing skills. One piece will be from a writer who demonstrates proficient skills, and one from a student who exhibits advanced writing skills.
Hi, this is Michelle Sweeney from the primary building. Today we finished creating our presentation on best practices across the contents. In grade level and department meetings, we will provide an opportunity to review writing practices, which include integrating student choice, incorporating daily writing, using mentor text, modeling, and providing meaningful feedback.
Hi, this is Cash Hayden, Indian Hill Middle School System Principal. We examined state testing data from specific writing standards for middle school and high school. When we broke down the results of our 4-point question prompts, we saw drops that piqued our interest and needed further investigation.
This is Paula Faircamp from the middle school. As a committee, we shared philosophies in grammar and a vision that we are striving to achieve. We want to make sure we are moving forward from teaching grammar as a skill and drill or an isolation, but rather incorporating it organically as pertaining to student growth, writing, and mentor text.
Hi, this is Melissa Stewart. These goals represent the work that we will complete during the remainder of the 2019-2020 school year. And our next committee meeting is November 15th.